Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. Click here and then search for CMD. Right click here and run as administrator. It will open command prompt window. Now you need to type these all commands carefully. Type netsh winsock reset. You will get this command in the description below. Then hit enter. Then type ipconfig space slash flushdns and then hit enter. After that you need to type ipconfig space slash renew and then hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process and then type exit to close the command prompt. Now again go to search bar and type CMD, right click here and run as administrator. Select S. On this window you need to type netsh IP reset. Hit enter and then if you get access is denied, then close this windows, then go to search bar and then type control panel. Click here to open it. Now click on network and internet, then click here. Now you need to click on your internet connections. Now select properties and then select IPv4 and click on properties. Now check this option and follow my screen. And then click on OK. Now close this and close all windows one by one. In the next step, click here and search for device manager, then click here to open it. It will open device manager window. Now expand network adapters and then on your hardware connections right click and simply click on uninstall. Now you need to uninstall the adapters and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.